Subscribe to get smart, and to watch the latest videos first, hit the bell icon and you will be notified about the new videos updates instantly.
Hello everyone, Rick here, helping you to master your technology. This video is the hands-on review of the OPPO's new flagship phone, the OPPO Find X. So, let's get started. Fast forward to today, and smartphones are all seemingly racing to the same inevitable end goal of having nothing but screen on the front. Of course, this now means creative ways to implement the front-facing camera and other hardware. OPPO's creation, the Find X, which has introduced a rather intriguing solution. The Find X comes with an almost bezel-less display and offers 93.8% screen-to-body ratio. The Find X features a 6.4-inch OLED HD display, with 1080 by 2340p solution topped with a layer of Corning Gorilla Glass on top. The Find X is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 845 processor and runs Android 8.1 Oreo operating system, based on company's own Color OS. Closed, from the front, the Find X looks similar to the designs coming from Samsung in recent years. The sides of the glass subtly curve towards the metal edges, which are shiny and polished to match the glass on the back. Unlike Samsung though, there's virtually no bezel at all on the top edge of the 6.4-inch screen, although the chin is slightly thicker, similar to the OnePlus 6. Keeping up with the modern design trends, the glass finish is very eye-catching. It uses a multi-layer process and both the Glacier Blue and Bordeaux Red, actually more like pink or purple, models adapt and change under different lighting conditions, with the color on the outside bleeding into the dark glass in the middle. The key highlight of the OPPO Find X is its slider camera mechanism. The Find X comes with a pop-up module for both the front and the rear camera. Another important thing to note is that the company has omitted the fingerprint sensor and instead, have included an array of sensors, located on the slider, which enables the users, to unlock the smartphone using 3D facial recognition. Before I end this video, if you want something specific to show in my next video, just say in the comment section below. If you found this video entertaining and enjoyable, give me a favor by clicking that like button, subscribe, if you haven't already. I'll catch you all in the next episode of Get Smart. Peace.